Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the weekly outlook of UJ. Without wasting much of our time, let us start from the weekly time frame. What has the week done so far? From the weekly time frame, you will see that the market has been on a bullish trend and it has broken this trend line. So as the market has broken this trend line, so what are we looking out for? We have a demand zone here, a demand zone because there is aggressive buying that happened at this point, this candle. This we now have a bullish engulfing pattern here. Now, if you notice, at the course of the week, we have some interesting news that came out. The CPI news came out and it was not the way we expected it. It didn't come out that way, but let us go into the daily time frame. Now, in the daily, what are we seeing here? Now the market has broken the trend line, so we are expecting a retest. We might expect a retest to the trend line and something like this, maybe to this or to the upside. This is the play that we might expect, but look closely here. In this daily time frame, we have a supply zone here that has not been tested yet. Yeah, we have this supply zone. Okay, now from the fundamental point of thing, we find out that JPY has been on a negative interest rate for over a decade or so, but that does not mean that it's going to gain more strength against the US dollar. No, for now we find out from the daily perspective we have a bullish structure here. You see the market have taken out this structure right to the upside, came back, took out the structure again to the upside, right? So now we are maintaining a higher low formation here. We are maintaining a higher low formation here. Get? So moving forward, what do we expect the market to do? What do we expect the market to do here? Now we have a supply zone here, right? And we have a buy side liquidity resting above this high to tap into this supply before we might say, okay, this market we might want to start coming to the upside. This is what I'm expecting to happen come next week or so. What do we see here now? Moving to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is giving us some great data here. Now this is what we are seeing here. We have supply, we have demand. So we have demand, right? Took out the structure. Okay, so and on Friday price refused to test this demand zone. All right, price did not test the demand zone and it started moving to the upside. Okay, so moving forward, what do we expect price to do now? And if you look closely, price took out this little high here, or better say, let's say price respected this supply zone. Look at this supply zone here. Yes, it was tested and you see this supply zone was retested for the first time and went to the downside and came down, right? And came down. So but it refused to mitigate this demand zone. So moving forward into the week, what do we expect? Now I'm expecting price to move up, right? From here probably move to the upside, take out this high here to mitigate this order, then move to the downside, right? Sorry. So we are expecting price to come to this zone right now and do what? To the downside to mitigate this order. I'll probably move lower, get, because we have some interesting news, not much news coming next week, but we expect this. From the technical perspective, this is what I'll be favoring buy, because US dollar is still very much strong. The interest rate is still high compared to yen. Now moving on the 1 hour, do we have some interesting data coming in here? Same thing, we have imbalance. We have this imbalance here. It has not been retested yet, and we have, if you look closely, we have some liquidity here too. See, this imbalance have not been retested, so I'm expecting price to probably Monday or Tuesday take out this high. So maybe take out this high to tap in, and we equally have another supply here. We have another supply here. Look at this supply here too. So I'm expecting price to tap into this supply and push the downside, only to take out this high. But you know, the market can do what it please. So it can either be that the market will tap in here and move to the downside, or starts from here and move straight up. You can just here and start moving to the upside, taking out this liquidity and up to this zone. So that will be my anticipation and my outlook on UJ come next week. Thank you and God bless. Meanwhile, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the like button and share the video. And remember, trade to live, don't live to trade. And may the markets go with you. Thank you and God bless.